Alrighty, my friends and collectors. Are we ready? One more eBay break for you guys starting here at 11:21. It's XR football. We're doing 5 boxes for you. We are bomberbreaks.com. Thank you for the opportunity tonight to ignite the collector in you. We've been doing it since 2013. And we sure can't do without you guys, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 11:21 in the East. Now, where Aloha is located, it's like many hours ahead of that time. So, anything left, Matt? Well, tonight we have Topps Chrome Black. We've been at it all day, man. We just have Topps Chrome Black. Half case or $46.99 a spot. If that's something you might be down with, it's on the website. Bomberbreaks.com. There it is. Boom. All right, I think it's time to shave this gray beard. For some reason, I'm getting a terrible glare. I don't know what's going on, man. It's like a big sunny light coming at me. So, anyway, guys, welcome. Just want to say hello and welcome you guys if you're newer to us or maybe first time. Let me see if we got any folks that are with us for the first time. At least I think we do. Yeah, we got a few guys. So, welcome. My name's Chris. We're located in Northeast Ohio. Bomber Sports Cards - Chris. Sometimes it's Artie doing breaks for you guys here, too. We located in Northeast. Bomber was my uncle's nickname. Big reason why we go by Bomber Breaks. Of course, it's to bring the boom and have some fun breaking cards for you guys that we have for a very long time. Important announcement I want to share with you guys. If you can, mark it down. February the 9th will be part of the Topps Rip Party Breaker Showcase. One of 4 breakers that will be going for some fun prizes and a little competition thing. So mark that down. Hopefully, we'll tell you more as it gets closer on how you can join in on those breaks for the Topps Series 1 Rip Party. But we were part of it last year and honored to be as well this year. So also, you guys that are football collectors, of course, Contenders is out on Friday. That one you can find also on our website. If I forgot to, I should scroll down and show you guys. We have we've listed now random team styles, 6 boxers and 3 boxers. So check them out there at bomberbreaks.com. We have pick your team style breaks, 3 cases. If you buy in 1 and 2, you'll get in a 1 full case. So 6 boxer number 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 will all be coming from full cases, or from the same case, I should say. So if you want to lock in your teams, you'll make sure you get them that way in a full case. If you get them in 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Matt, we're near Cleveland. Near Cleveland, man. I grew up in West Virginia. That's where you got the Mountaineer stuff there. But now home is Northeast Ohio. So anyway, guys, welcome. Let's pick our boxes. We'll get going. All cards ship, of course. In the event, if you don't end up hitting a card, guys, we always send something fun. A little bonus pack you guys can open on us. Nothing crazy, but just something fun to open. So, but, yeah, all cards ship, guys. We'll leave up all the rookies and serial numbers, all that good stuff. And anyway, if you're new, check out that eBay message, guys. There's lots of different ways to connect with us. We got our private group on Facebook. That's the go-to for important announcements, codes, when those team breaks get posted and all that good stuff. So, all right, 1 through 10. Let's roll it up. The 0 is the 10. I was about ready to say it. So that bottom box is in. That one might have a boom in it because it's been under the most pressure. There's 5. 5. I bet is she a fan of? She's pretty close to the Cedar Point, Matt. Have you ever gone there? Or with her? She go there, man. That's a pretty amazing place. The roller coast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sounds good, Chad. Welcome, man. All right, I don't have 8. I got 7 left. Let me try that one again. I got a 4 though. Favre. Box Favre. All right, and then I got 6 left, so we'll take the orange 6-sided die, and I got a 1. Aces. All right, guys, so there's our 5 boxes. These 5, I believe, will be for tomorrow then. Oh, man. Uh-oh, guys, I think I got an eyelash in my eye. Holy cow, that itches my eye. Wow. Oh, that's the one. How the heck did it get in there?
there? Eyelash or something got in there.
All right, don't worry. We shall persevere. Ain't gonna get us down. All right, guys, XR time. Let me run through your teams and your names. I don't know if I mentioned we do ship twice a week, guys. We ship our Wednesday, Thursday, Friday breaks. We try to get everything out by Saturday. Even if we do Friday, it's going to be tight, but we'll get everything from tonight's stuff and tomorrow night's stuff for sure out by Saturday. Ship twice a week. So our Sunday, Monday breaks, those go out by Wednesday. And we're on, again, most Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday release days like this one is coming up. So good luck to all. May the boom be with our group here. Let's go through them, guys. S1UM Lord with the Cardinals. Welcome. Also to Shabat52 with the Falcons, Texans. JCIL 148. 148 HHB with the Ravens. Nolbert Wilso -0 with the Bills and the Vikings. Sweet tea, please. Panthers. Oh, man, I got some sweet tea. I just finished it up over here. Getting low on the lemonade, though. I put a little splash of lemonade in there. Love the Arnold Palmers. So, sweet tea, welcome. I'm growing in West Virginia. My buddy Wolf, his mom had the sweetest tea in town. We go in there and steal it every chance we could when I went over there to visit it. Anyway, all right. Jeremiah D with the Bears. Matty Moore with the Bengals tonight. Good luck, man, for some hootage. Landon with the hometown Browns. Jesse with the Cowboys and Broncos. Pippo 33023 with the Lions. D-Pod Packers and the Chargers. What do you say, Daniel? Tonight's the night, my man. D. Holloway. Colts, my man. C.J. Alberts. Welcome, Jags, Raiders, and the Patriots. I am a PRC. That's with the Chiefs tonight, man. Welcome. I got Mike Waldo 0. Mike with the Rams. Daniel A. 2 with the Dolphins tonight. Let's catch one, man. C. Glidden 18 with the Saints. G-Man, Giants and the Bucks. Dan Square 23. Daniel with the Jets. King Tom, Eagles and Titans. Oh my. Tony's Farm Toys. Thanks for getting here, Tony. The Steelers. Tony, do you sell, by chance, farm toys, like old tractors and stuff? My dad would be very curious. Check it out. Check out your eBay ID. Both my grandparents were farmers, and we played with. He used to collect some of that stuff a little bit here and there. 08 Kane with a K with the 49ers. Welcome. Jamie, what up? Woodlawn in the house. Going with Seattle. And TK with a Washington football team. All right. We sure could, Daniel. We sure could. You worked there, Matt, for 5 years? Wow, nice. Tell me some inside scoop. Hey, Matt, did you get a girlfriend working there? Oh, man. All right. Good luck, guys. No need to share. No need to share. Dumb question. Of course he did. All right. Attaboy. All right, guys, good luck, everybody. Patrick, I like it. We could have had those Chiefs, though. Man, oh, man. What an opportunity Brownies had. But, hey, did Mahomes practice today? Sorry, guys, trying to get the focus. Did Mahomes practice? I hope he gets to play, and he's fully healthy. It's just a weird thing. He didn't look like he hit his head, really. I wonder if that was, from multiple hits or something where he got concussed. So, anyway, Higbee, Khalil Mack base, and we got some serial numbers. First one out is a black lock for the Texans. 25 out of 249. Sony, 39 of 99. And James Morgan, Extreme Rookies to 149. And the auto mem, Antonio Gibson for the Washington football team. TK, 14 out of 49. Rookie excellence. So, it sounds like odds are he's going to be okay to play. Gabriel Davis, rookie card for Buffalo. Diggs and Fitzpatrick base. And Isaiah Coulter, his rookie for Houston. The Texans with a couple rookies. To 199. And Keenan Allen to 249 for the Chargers. Vortex. Favre out of 59. Cam Akers. He's a guy to kind of target, I think. Man, he had a great finish to the year. Rams tonight. Mike, 4 out of 49. And Anthony McFarland Jr., number 26. The Steelers, 62 out of 199. Tony. And a rookie of McFarland Jr. Max Crosby and Mitch Trubisky. Jordan Brooks to Seattle. 249. Gronk for the Bucks. To 99 in the orange. And DeAndre Swift to 149. For Detroit. Heading for Detroit. Wow. Pip. 0330. 23. Really nice. Rookie excellent. 4-color patch auto. 8 to 25. Boom. Swifts. KJ Osborne autograph. Minnesota on the board. Vikings and Bills. Norbert Wilson. 5 of 199. Eagles rookie Quez Watkins. Lawrence and Big Ben. Peoples Jones. Browns rookie to 199 and a Gardner Minshew. For the Jaguars to 199. Tyler Johnson, Vortex to 25. Bucks, G-Man, nice card. 3-color, make it 4-color with the polka dots on there. 14 to 25. Ty Johnson. Auto Desmond Patman, he's Colts. 132-199 Indianapolis. With some ink there for D. Holloway. And there's a Joey B rookie. All right, Matthew. Burrow rookie. Good sign. And XR. Cam Newton base. Phillip Rivers base. Phillip Rivers, man, he is done. What a good guy, good pro. Going to coach the high schoolers. Marlon Davidson for the Falcons to 199. And a Raven, Earl Thomas. Oh, jeez. And McFarland Jr. Triple threats. 70 out of 75. Tony's. Farm Toys. Congrats, Tony. All right, there's T to go along with Joe. Talked a little bit about T earlier today. We haven't had a T. All right, Paulie, what's up, man? We're going to try. Russell. There's a Nick Bosa for the Niners. There's a Bake Show for the Browns, 50 out of 99. And a Calais. That's a Tampa Bay man to 249. Rams Gilded Greats to 149. Steven Jackson. And a 3-window patch auto. Jacob Eason. Number 9 is his jersey number. Boom. D. Holloway, congrats on that. 9/75 Eason, jersey number auto. All right, guys, 3 boxes now. Still got 2 to go. Hey now, wild card points. We don't see these often in XR. We saw them a good bit, though, in Playbook. Jordan Love, rookie card for the Packers. I heard these wild card points sell for a couple hundo. So we'll be randomizing that among everybody at the end. Hilton Michelle, and that'll be a good one, man. Sam Darnold to the Jets. 182 out of 249, and Big Ben Roethlisberger. Is he coming back? Russ, is he coming back? Got a 199, and then T. Higgins. Vortex. 39 of 75. Okay. All right. This pack is ridiculous. There's got to be a button or something in here. Look at how the pack's put together. It's like a ramp. It's like an angle up. All right. I'm saving this one, guys. Sorry. Saving it. That's last pack mojo right there. I don't know, man. He looked kind of done. Antonio Gibson rookie card. Shedding tears on the sidelines, man. I don't know. McCaffrey and Josh Allen. Fulton to 249. I mean, he should go out. Losing to his home state team like that, I think that's a great way for him to call it a career. Mostert to 99. There we go, Niners. A little Mostert. And Joey B to 149. $42. And, well, Niners, check it out. Oh, my. Not quite a 1 of 1, but it's the only one made that's serial numbered 3 of 10 in the triple swatch autographs version. Boom. Kane. No relation to Bane. I believe. And Ayuk. Very nice card. Yes, that's right. All right, here we go. Last box mojo. Marlon Davidson auto for the Falcons. Shabbat. 5/2. 188 out of 199. Marlon Davidson autograph. Jeremy Chin, rookie for Carolina. Rodgers, Ertz. Gladney to 199 for the Vikings. And Brandon Cooks, 249 to the Texans. And the Chargers, Hunter Henry, 15 of 15. Orange patch for the Chargers. Daniel. Nice card, my man. All right, guys. I don't know what's in here. This is interesting. I think we might have a 101 in here. All right. Is it? Yep. Yep. Oh, yeah. Ball cap. We got a cap patch, guys. Cap patch style. All right. I don't know how. Yeah. All right. There we go. All right, it'll stay in there. Okay, good luck, guys. Staying right there. Marlon Davidson, rookie card for the Falcons. Woo, good luck, guys. This is always fun. DK Metcalf. And Aaron Rodgers base. Frank Clark to 249. There's a Chief. 125 is the card number. Mark Ingram. 249. All right. And let's see. Oh, it's a Burrow, guys. X Factor there. Okay. All right. This one here. Cat patch. Ready. A 3. A 2. A 1 of 1. Cole Kmet. Daubersh. You get the picture with, there he is, with mini cardboard dick and buried in the background. All right, there it is. Boom! What a cool card. Kmet. Hat patch me. And our Bengals man, Matthew. Very nice haul of Joe Burrow in there. 123 out of 149 on your X Factor. That's a thick card. I'm going to see how it'll fit if I can get it into this one. 261 touch. No, it's not. Not going to do it. All right, guys, stand by. I still need to randomize. Don't worry, I got 360s. They don't make 350. They don't make 350, but they make 360s. Loch Ness Monster will be all right with that one. In XR, I haven't seen one either. Patrick, is that you on the bear? No, Jeremiah's got it. All right. Okay, man. 1 of 1. What? Turn around the points so you can steal it, and then I ask Panini who stole the code and then shut you down on your rewards account? What? No. Already had to do that a couple of times in our history. All right. Guys, good luck. All teams going into the randomizer. What the heck happened here? Where'd my football teams go? Somebody pasted over my freaking football teams. Oh, come on. What in the heck happened here? Paul, did you miss the card? Let me do a recap. I gotta find a spot where I can get my cards, get my full list of NFL teams. Mine got pasted over. All right, so quick recap. Henry out of 15. There's the Ayuk. Remember that one? 3 of 10. Boom. T. Higgins. Jacob Eason, jersey number 9 out of 75. McFarland Jr. Tyler Johnson to 25. DeAndre Swift, real nice one out of 25. McFarland to 199. Cam Akers out of 49. And Antonio Gibson out of 49. Burrow there to 149. Marlon Davidson auto to the Falcons. Burrow to 149 again. The X factor, and then that one is the potential. Jordan Love and Joe Burrow rooks. Patman to 199 and a KJ Osborne to 199. Ingram, Clark, Davidson, Cooks, Gladney, Chin, Mostert, Fulton, Gibson, Roethlisberger, Darnold, Jackson, Calais, Mayfield, Higgins, Thomas, Davidson, Minshew, Peoples, Jones, Watkins, Swift, Gronk, Brooks, McFarland, Allen, Coulter, Davis, Morgan, Michelle, Blacklock, and Wilson. All right, and the wild card points, along with that K-Met, man, the 101 hat patch rookie auto 1 of 1. All right, boom. Thank you, Kevin. Duh. Go to one of our pick your teams. All right, let's see. Alrighty, guys, let's do this, man. 3+ is our die roll total. So I take 3 always, and we add to that whatever the roll is. That's 3. So 6 total clicks. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, after 6, Buffalo Bills win the wild card. They did. They won that wild card game, didn't they? All right, so congrats to Buffalo, our Bills owner tonight. That is Norbert Wilson with the Bills Vikings together. And it was the Bills. Alrighty, guys. Thank you much. That concludes the eBay breaks. And we might just roll right into the giveaway, guys. We'll see. We've got Topps Chrome Black open at bomberbreaks.com. But if that one don't fill here shortly, we'll go ahead and get rolling by midnight. All right, guys. Take care. Thank you much. Keeping that fairway, as my uncle Vern would say, also known as Bomber. And as I say in show business, that is a wrap. That it is. All right, man. Take care, guys.